Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do a cocktail out of this little cocktail book called Drinks Long and Short. This is a second printing from 1930 of a book originally published in 1925. It is one of the few cocktail books from this time period written by a woman, Nina Toye. It's co-authored by A.H. Adair, who wrote a drinks column for Vogue magazine. And it is much more than a cocktail book. Pretty much all of the cocktail books from this time period and earlier were written by professional bartenders for professional bartenders. This cocktail book is written with an eye to the homeowner. The very first, or one of the very first cocktail books to do this, where it was more about the total entertaining package of how to put together a cocktail party, how to invite your guests, who to invite to your cocktail party. So we're going to do a recipe called Eclipse. Now, one of the things that I find very interesting about this book is that in a lot of ways, the cocktails are very loosey-goosey in the way that they're put together. You, as the host or hostess, are expected to choose your own liquors. She'll tell you to use rum, but not what kind of rum. She'll tell you to use whiskey, but not what kind of whiskey. You are allowed to choose for yourself based on your own taste buds. So this is a rum cocktail, and I'm going to try it with two different rums. I'm going to try it with a white rum from Bacardi. And so 2 ounces of white rum and 2 ounces of this darker Diplomático rum. And as a book on entertaining, most of these cocktails were meant to be made in bulk, in a jug. You would mix up 3/4 of a bottle of rum with a little bit of the next ingredient in a large jug, and then you would just ice them and serve them during the party, which allowed you to entertain during the party rather than being stuck behind the bar mixing drinks for everybody, or worse than that, expecting your guests to mix the drinks. So next in is half Chartreuse, and again, doesn't say whether to use green or yellow Chartreuse, so I'm using green because that's what we have here. Next in is sweetened lemon juice. So this is freshly squozen lemon juice. I'm going to make up for the lack of sweetness with a little bit of simple syrup. And so, bar spoon of simple syrup. And now I'm going to ice. I'm going to ice and shake these one at a time so I don't over dilute them. There you have the Eclipse cocktail.
Hey Glenn, hey friends, the Eclipse.
The Eclipse.
Getting ready for 2024.
Yes, that's the next time an eclipse happens here. So, based on the name, Eclipse, I don't know, should it be light or dark?
Ooh, maybe you serve both.
Maybe you serve both.
Celebrate both parts of the Eclipse.
This was meant to be done in bulk.
Oh, so that's even better for an Eclipse party.
Eclipse party. So it's all ready to pour. You just ice it and pour it. And so, which one do you want to try first?
Well, this one's in front of me.
I will take this one.
It's very refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
This one's has like a light lemonade-y flavor to it.
Okay, go ahead.
As we try to gracefully go, there we go. Ready? Woohoo! I like that one better.
I do too. I do too. It's more well-rounded. Like it has, to me, it has more. It's balanced and well-rounded. This one is kind of sharp. Does that make sense?
Yes, I would say the same thing. This one has a sharper flavor to
Yeah.
it. There's going to be someone out there who loves this one better.
Loves that. Yes.
But we'll fight over this one.
Okay, so I wonder what it would taste like with yellow Chartreuse instead of green Chartreuse. I've never had yellow Chartreuse.
Well, we've got till 2024 to figure it out. Where does one? I haven't even. I've never seen yellow Chartreuse.
It's not. LCBO does not carry it.
Okay, that would explain why I've never had yellow Chartreuse, as far as I know.
I should check the SAQ because they're the closest. So we'd go to Quebec and maybe get it. Who knows? Okay. So, the Eclipse. It's a pretty good cocktail if you like rum. And you can play with it probably with different rums to bring different flavors, the flavor that you like.
And apparently you can make it by the bucket load.
Yes, by the bucket load. Thanks for stopping by.
See you again soon.